Breaking right now, Michele Fiore guilty of conspiring to commit wire fraud, as well as 6 other incidents, 6 counts of wire fraud. Thank you for joining us at 4. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
And I'm Brian Loftus. Closing arguments, deliberation, and a verdict all in a matter of hours. 8 News Now investigator Vanessa Murphy was in the courtroom, joins us now live with more info for you. Vanessa.
Certainly a more subdued Michele Fiore after she learned she was found guilty on all 7 counts. The jury returning the guilty verdict in less than 2 hours. Here's what she had to say.
We respect the jury's decision. Obviously, they've sat through almost 2 weeks of testimony and evidence in this case. We don't necessarily agree with their decision. Ms. Fiore will be pursuing every legal remedy and option that she has at this particular point, but we would have to wait until after the judgment is finalized and she is sentenced as of January 6th.
You know, I'd rather not, because we're still in it. We're still in the thick of things, and my attorney is going to hopefully, apprise you of a lot of situations that you're unaware. You were aware yesterday that I wanted to say a few things to the judge, and I wasn't allowed to. These things are very important. And they're very important because it's information that the jury didn't have.
Fiore explaining why she wasn't commenting more there. Now, she was found guilty on conspiracy to commit wire fraud and 6 counts of wire fraud. Prosecutors say she raised money for a statue to remember slain Metro Police Officer Alan Beck, but spent the money on personal expenses, including rent and her daughter's wedding. Defense attorney Michael Sant says he plans on filing an appeal. Fiore remains a free woman. Her sentencing scheduled for January 6th. Attorneys on both sides calling this an unusual case. The government witnesses include business leaders, even the governor. There were twists and turns after her daughter, who is accused of being a co-conspirator, took the stand in her mother's defense. Her testimony then stricken. But again, Michele Fiore guilty on all 7 counts. Federal prosecutors left the courthouse here a short while ago and declined to comment. Their argument was Fiore used a tragedy to line her pockets. Reporting live in downtown Las Vegas, Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.